This house at Oxley has netted its owners a tidy profit.
They made 160 grand tax-free in 18 months.
After a lick of paint and a new laundry, it sold for $730,000.
Like, they were so amazed. They actually called me in saying, we don't think we're going to sell. And then when they saw the offers come through, they were like, how can we not?
Across town, this couple has borrowed $950,000 to snag a Camp Hill four-bedder.
We're actually only buying this with a 15% deposit.
They have tried to buy scores of other homes.
I think the biggest one we missed out on, there were 26 offers.
So they turned to a buyer's agent and were told to sell their first home, get cashed up and rent so they could go unconditional fast.
You guys must be super excited.
Can't wait.
Yeah, and we always knew the risks of selling and trying to buy in, and we knew we had to try and do that fairly quickly, otherwise the market would move away.
A lot of people may be subject to sale or, a 21-day finance clause, and that's just not going to happen in this market.
The latest data from CoreLogic found in the last financial year, Brisbane prices rose on average by 13%, but in some areas they soared by more than 20%. It certainly is a seller's market.
We're seeing housing prices rising more in a month than what household incomes are rising in the space of a year.
So where does that leave those who can't afford to buy? Well, it's a case of lowering expectations.
But in some of the markets around Brisbane, like getting out to Ipswich and to Logan, the Redland Bay Islands are another good example, you're still seeing typical house values are below the $300,000 mark.
In the West, Inala homes are selling for just over $400,000. It grew at 8% last financial year. And this home at Zilmere in Brisbane's north just sold for a smidge over $600,000, an area with a 12% growth rate.
Probably following the train line and amenities in that kind of area. South, we're looking more towards Tingalpa and Wynnum West.
CoreLogic shows Brisbane's median price is now $660,000. With the number of houses on the market down by 30% and buyers up by 50% on a 5-year average, it's a lack of stock that's driving up the prices.
It's amazing. I've not seen it like this since 2007.
For the Beard family, it's been a hard slog to buy back in.
When you say the numbers, they're quite large, but certainly, we really believe in property.
It's amazing. We're so happy today.
A dream home at a cost.